Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming in from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're here on a Friday capping off a record week for stocks. And we'll start with the S&P 500, currently trading at 3,906, up about 0.6% for the week, currently up about 9 points on the day, looking to close above that $3,000 level for the first time in its history. Currently, chart analysis scored plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the S&P 500. Key level to watch next week will be 2,912.99. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a possible sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index currently trading at 96.97. Down about 0.2% on the week, with a chart analysis score -50, indicating that we are still in a sidelines mode with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch will be 97.55. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Currently looking at the Dow Jones, looking to close above 27,000, currently trading at 27,271.76. An all-time high for the index is right around the corner, sitting at 27,273.46. It's up about 180 points on the day and up 1.3% for the week, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch should be 26,465.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Not to be forgotten, the Nasdaq currently trading at 8,233.21, up about 0.8 of a point on the week, currently up about 40 points on the day as we head into afternoon trading. Right now, currently chart analysis scores plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. We got that new monthly trade triangle this week, so it joined the party with the other two indexes, indicating that we are in that long-term uptrend. Key level to watch will be 7,879.16. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Gold currently trading at 1,417.50, up a little over 1% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 55 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that although we have come under some recent weakness, we are still in a long-term uptrend for gold. Your key level to watch should be 1,404.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short-term sidelines position for gold. Take a look at crude oil, currently up about 4.4% on the week, bouncing back from a mild loss last week. Currently trading above $60 at $60.27 with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines position for crude oil, but in the short term we are in a long position. Key level to watch will be 59.93. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. We'll back out of here. We'll take one last look at Bitcoin. Currently up about 3.7% on the day, trading at 11,608.59. As high as a little over 13,000 this week. Still up about 4% from the week, battling back from some of its losses that were a little over 7% last week. Chart analysis scores plus 85, so we're losing a little bit of momentum to the upside, but we're still in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch is significantly higher, trading would be at 9,614.08. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. So it'll be interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts for the next week. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week with some market updates.